क्योंकि तीर्थ नजरों के द्वारा सिद्धवन के जो है
Hmm. Hare Krishna. Can you hear me?
विविध प्रकार के हक परिहास तथा मान अभिमान के द्वारा श्री कृष्ण को उत्कंठित कराते हैं।
So they are making Shri Krishna so much eager.
इस उत्कंठित हृदय के साथ प्रेम के प्रतिदान स्वरूप श्री कृष्ण को के मान समन के लिए साबित होते हैं। इस प्रेम की एक स्वाभाविक है
So it is the spontaneous nature of the love.
वक्रता धारण करते
Vakrata.
छूटे
Huh? Cricket. It is the spontaneous nature of love that it takes cricket. Cricket.
स्नेह के द्वारा
When by the love or
अभिभूत हो जाता है
when it condense too much,
मान
so that is called man.
के बाद
So in that is it that is called man.
अर्थ होता है
Snehi means
चित्त द्रावकता इति स्नेह
when your heart melted, that is sneha.
होना ही कहा जाता है
So hearting of the melt is called sneha.
जिससे आंखों से
Melting of the heart is called sneha.
प्रभावी उसी कार्य और यह स्नेह जब
And then when this sneha
गाढ़ता धारण करेगा उसकी कहा
gets so much condensed form, so that is called man.
क्योंकि कोई आचार्य है
Sometimes some acharyas used to say
स्नेह के बाद प्रणय प्रणय के बाद
sneha after sneha there is pranay or after pranay there is man.
स्वाभाविक रूप में देखा जाए
But if you saw spontaneous,
राज भाव महाभाव
so this is the sequence what Gurudev told like.
तो अपराधिक चित्त जगत में
So in the transcendental world,
जो गोपी के हृदय में
so what kind of man gopi have in their hearts, that is called,
कृष्ण के प्रति प्रगाढ़
so they have so much deep affection or listening towards Krishna. That's why they got man.
जो है अनुराग जो है वक्रता धारण करके
When
मान के रूप में
when Anura gets so much cricket form, so that is called man.
जिसका मान कहा जाता है लेफ्ट श्लोक में दिया था अथवा श्रृंगार कहा जाता है तो गुरुदेव कहते थे
Gurudev used to say, and actually,
क्रोध भी व्यवहार नहीं कर सकते क्रोध क्रोध होता है इस जगत में
so in this world the anger is
काम आदि हृदय में रहने पर क्रोध होता है
when lust desires comes into the heart, that is called when we get angry that time. So if there some obstacles comes in the fulfilling the desires, so that is that times we get angerness in our mind. Just like in a general way, we used to give an example. There is a boy,
खाना चाहते
he would like to eat something,
हैं किंतु उसके माँ जब उसके
but when his mother is stops him to eat that, oh please don't eat because your stomach will be bad. So that child, what he does, so he feels so much angry that time. Okay, you understand?
तो बच्चा की जो
Because
अपनी जो वासनाएं है
so
बाधा है आ रही
what is happening, so there is obstacles coming to desire the fulfilling of the child, because he would like to eat something but mother is stopping him, so she's making obstacles on fulfilling his desire, so that's why he's getting so much anger.
है जिस जगत में ऐसे
In the
नहीं
chit jagat, in the transcendental world, it's not happens like this.
उस जगत में
In that word,
मान शब्द जो है
so the word man is, there is an example is like,
प्रेम की ऐसे शुद्ध
it is the stage of that love, the condensed form of love.
कंडेंस उसमें सिंह समय की ऐसे एक अपराध दिक्कत भावना आकर के
So when that kinds of feelings in their hearts, snehi feelings in the heart,
विगलित कर
so that's
है
melted the heart,
और उस समय
or at that
आपके
time,
हृदय में जो है वो मान आदि दर्शन है।
so in that time gopis got man.
क्योंकि इस जगत में तो मान नहीं है।
But in this world it is no, man is not possible, because in that world what is ever happening in that transcendental world, so so that is for the pleasure of for Krishna, not for their own sense enjoyments.
कृष्ण यदि चंद्रावली के कुंज में गए
When Krishna is going to Chandravali's
तो
Kunj,
राधा जी के क्या हो जाता है?
so what happened? Radhaji got man that time.
क्यों? यहाँ पर ससुर बसना नहीं है।
Sorry, Krishna
मुझे छोड़ करके
giving me.
राधा जी ये भी सोचे कृष्ण मुझे छोड़ करके कहाँ गए? चंद्रावली के कंज।
So Krishna went to
के हृदय में क्या हुआ? वो
Oh,
राधा
Krishna went to Chandravali's Kunj. That is why, in that case, Radhaji got so much man.
जी ये जानते हैं।
Why Radhaji knows?
परम प्रतिकृत पतिति नंदन नंदने कदापि
Tanshri Mam Kripa Kataksha Bhajanam.
राधा जी के हृदय में सदा सर्वदा
In the Radhaji's hearts, always there is a feelings remains that
सुख दे सकते हैं।
how I can give the love to Krishna, or pleasure to Krishna, and the other gopis like Chandravali cannot give the same love,
वो सुख नहीं देने से कृष्ण
or cannot give the same pleasure. And when he is not getting this kinds of pleasure, so Krishna gets so much sorrow in his heart, pain in his heart.
करके
So thinking about the Krishna, like for the pleasure for the Krishna, Radhaji got man that time.
कहाँ की बात कहाँ है?
देखो, so the things comes to another way.
इसलिए इसी के जो है स्पष्टीकरण किया गया प्रेम संपूर्ण ग्रंथ।
So he described in a Prem Samput Granth. Vishwanath Chakravarti wrote a Granth, Prem Samput.
प्रेम संपूर्ण ग्रंथ
Vishwanath Chakravarti wrote a Granth which is called Prem Samput.
कृष्ण
When Krishna,
देवांगना के रूप में आए।
he came into the form of Devangana, like Devi.
सुंदर रूप धारण करके
He got a beautiful form that time,
राधा जी के
and he came to the courtyard of the Radhaji that time, and coming there,
प्रेम की वार्तालाप करने
so he was discussing about the love with Radhaji that time.
वही देवांगना यानी कृष्ण
So the Devangana, the Krishna, when she came into the form of Devangana,
देवी देवांगना
in the form of Devi, he came to the courtyard of Radharani. Did you got?
समझ में आती है
Devangana like Devi,
सभी देवी का डिवाइन
divine Devi,
है
divine lady,
देवांगना
divine lady like Haribol,
बहुत सुंदर श्यामला सती।
very beautiful form.
तो राधा जी के निकट
So at the time, so he was asking a question before Radhaji, that Devi in the form of Krishna,
यदि कोई किसी गोपी के पास जाए
if Krishna is going to another gopi,
राधे तुम्हारे
hey Radhe, so what kind of why do you get so much anger that time when Krishna goes to another gopi? I would like to know about this.
तो उस समय राधा
So at
जी
that time, Radhaji was saying,
ये वास्तव में हमारे कोई ससुर वासना नहीं
actually, I don't have any sense gratifications.
स्वतंत्र शिक्षावान है
Krishna is spontaneous. He is free from every. He is free. He is totally free. Whatever he wants to do, he can.
वो कहीं भी जा सकते
He can go anywhere.
किंतु
But
कृष्ण के जो मैं जो सुख दे
so, what kind of love or pleasure I can provide to Krishna, no one else do like same.
वो सुख दे सकते हैं ये कृष्ण और कोई व्यक्ति इसको वो सुख दे नहीं
So other gopis cannot give the pleasure like me to Krishna.
जो कृष्ण सुख नहीं दे सकते
So when that gopis cannot give that kinds of pleasure to
तो कृष्ण
Krishna,
सुख को नहीं होगा
so Krishna doesn't feel so much happiness in heart. So he feels so much sad or pain in his heart.
कृष्ण के दुख
That's why,
स्मरण करके
remembering the pain of the Krishna, I feel so much anger or man.
ये मानो
I got man in my heart. That why he has went there or has gone there. Why he has gone there.
यही है।
So this is this kinds of feelings I have in my heart.
ये विचार हमारे आचार्यों
कोई
का
उसमें देखो, उसमें आवाज सही आ रही, कोई इशू कंप्लेंट तो नहीं है उस वाले में? Can you check? Is there voice is coming? Yesterday there was no voice. Yesterday was there was no voice there. In that video.
अनुराग
Have to check.
हाथ गिलास से उंगलियों पर बांध और दृष्टि निक्षेप करते हैं तो उसके हृदय में प्रेम का वर्धन होता है तथा
If someone is complaining,
उस वर्धन की
yesterday should I check?
जागृत
Comment.
है कृष्ण तीर्थ नजरों के द्वारा
When Krishna see the sidelong glance,
अपने
his
गोपी के
which slope we are talking about?
दृष्टिपात करते हैं देख
14.
और उस इक्खन समझ लो
Ikhan drashti, by that ikshan, by the sidelong glance,
गोपी के हृदय में इतने आनंद
so at that time Gopi feels so much pleasure in their heart,
क्योंकि
because
गोपियां
every gopi,
ये सोचती हैं
she thinks like
इसमें
that
नजर रखते
Krishna keep an eye on us, keeping an eye on us.
ये समझते जब भाव उत्पन्न
So when these kinds of feelings happens into the hearts,
और भी प्रेम
so they get so the love of in their heart increases so much.
और जिससे उनके हृदय में
So by that in their heart,
की इच्छा
so they have so much desire, so the desires of giving the pleasure to Krishna wake up or increases more and more.
भगवान की तरह श्री कृष्ण को उत्पन्नित करती है गोपियां भी इसी प्रकार
So Gopi in the same way,
अपने मान अभिमान के द्वारा
according to by their man and abhiman, by their ego and the man, they give so much pleasure to Krishna.
क्योंकि मान जब आ जाता है
Because they got man, so what Krishna has to break their man.
धारण करना पड़ता है
When gopis get man, so Krishna has to break their man,
क्योंकि जहाँ पर प्रेम प्रीति होता
because there is a love.
है, ये समस्त क्रिया आदि
So this kinds of activity happens there. Just like some gopis got man, so again and Krishna goes to her for breaking her man,
फिर कृष्ण
for giving her pleasures.
शब्द माधुर्य
So and that in that time Krishna used to use so much kinds of sweet words for breaking the man of that gopi, or for giving her pleasure.
हृदय के साथ प्रेम प्रतिदान करो श्री कृष्ण गोपियों के मान प्रशमन के लिए धावित होते हैं मैंने पहले कहा
So I told you this already.
वही लिखा है।
Gurudev is writing the same what I told you.
ये कृष्ण क्या करते हैं
What Krishna does?
मान प्रसाधन करने के लिए
So for breaking the man of that gopi, what Krishna does, they used to speak so many beautiful words or sweet words.
उसके श्रृंगार कर देते हैं
So sometime he used to make up
कपड़े की जो है
any gopis.
सुंदर रूप में
Sometime he used to give put on the dress of the gopis very nicely.
कपड़े को गोपियों को चिरऋणी शिकार पर कृतज्ञता ज्ञापन करते हैं फिर कृष्ण क्या करते हैं जब गोपियों की इसी प्रकार सुंदर भाव आदि देखते हैं
When Krishna sees this kinds of bhav of the gopis, so Krishna says, so I am so much I am depth of your, I am
कृष्ण के एक अमोघ अस्त्र क्या है
Krishna's bansi.
नौपायन निरुद्धम संजीवन
Amog means which don't go waste. Amog.
कृष्ण कभी कभी
Sometimes Krishna
समाज में
in the society of the gopis, he used to really thankful bolte हैं, thankful, abhari, obedience. Sometimes I am so much obedience bolte हैं ना, obedience, obedience or gratefulness. Sometimes Krishna feels so much gratefulness. Oh gopis, I am so much grateful for you that you are whatever you are doing for me, I cannot repay that. So whatever the gopis has done for me, so I cannot repay for them. So that's why Krishna feels, present the gratefulness towards gopi,
तो योग्यता नहीं,
because I don't have any quality,
गोपी की
but
महिमा,
this is all
और
your
आप लोग भी
glories,
ऐसे मेरे प्रति अनुरक्त होकर के है,
because you are loving me
इसी प्रकार कृष्ण क्या करते थे,
so much. So and that's why Krishna presents their gratefulness before the gopis. Are yaar. So this is the specialty is showing there of Krishna. Okay, understand?
जैसे
Just like Prabhupada used to say,
भक्ति
Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada used to say.
जितने भी ऑडियंस जो है
So,
श्रोता है,
so however, or how many that audience are there,
भंजन
they all are Vipad Bhanjan.
विपद भंजन के रक्षक, विपद भंजन सर,
Vipad Bhanjan क्या होता है?
विपद भंजन मेरे विपद के जो है विपद से रक्षा करते हैं,
विपद माने
हमारे विपद के सारे नष्ट कर दिया, नाश कर दिया।
विपदा, just problems. They all all over the whoever the audience are there, they or all the listeners are there, they all are the problem solver, or they destroy all my problems, because if somebody doesn't comes to hear Hari Katha, so that's why when you come to hear Hari Katha, so I to speak you some things, so that's why you all are my problem solver. Vipda Bhanjan, Vipad Bhanjan,
of my
problem.
Maya.
You all are the destroyer of my Maya, because if you are not there, then who will listen Hari Katha?
अच्छा प्रभुपाद ये शब्द,
So Prabhupada used to say this word.
और यहाँ पे भी बोले
Even he talked about,
सब मेरा गुरु है।
so all the listeners are my guru,
क्यों?
because
गुरु शिष्य के जैसे
just like
माया
Guru,
से
just like Guru, he always saved the disciple from the Maya. In the same way, the listeners,
हमें भी रक्षा
they used to save us in the same way.
होता नहीं
If there is no listeners, so to whom I speak the Katha?
तो मेरा आलस्य आकर के
So I will feel some laziness, and laziness comes to me. So I can be lie on bed.
हाँ जी, ये आलस्य तो क्या है?
So what is this laziness? This is the laziness is the Maya.
आप लोग आए हैं,
But you have come here. You the listeners have come here. That's why I am.
भगवत कथा में
So I am observing my mind into the Bhagavad Katha. Man is very restless.
सदा सर्वदा नहीं रखा।
If your man not engaging into the Hari Katha always, so your mind will be go here and there. It happens or not?
हरि कथा
Until you won't hear the Hari Katha, or you will hear the Hari Katha continuously, at the time Maya cannot attack on you.
भागवत में श्लोक
In the Bhagavad there is a shlok,
आयु हरति वैपुंसा
Ayu Hariti Vaipunsa.
जतना अशुभ सूर्य उदय अस्त और अस्त उदय,
When sun rises and sets and sets and rises.
ये क्या होता है
So what's that?
ना, हमारे आयु पे जो है
So this
क्या
is
करते हैं,
Har Rai.
हरण कर
It is decreasing our Ayu, decreasing our Ayu. Sometimes the sun is rising or sets. It's one day has gone. So it means I have lost my one day of my age.
मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ,
So when I am losing the one day of my I am losing one day of my life. So where I am going? I am going to the dead.
रहने के एक निश्चित समय है,
So for all the living entities, there is a time to live in this world. There is a limited time for staying in this world. When we have taken the birth in this world, so the Vidhata has fixed our age, that how long we have to live in this world. 5 years, 10 years, or 100 years. It is already mentioned, predestined.
predicted
It's all predicted,
and
predestined. Everything is predicted and predestined. So everything is written already.
आपके आयु इस संसार में कितने दिन रहना है,
It's all predicted. So how long? Just suppose that if somebody has to live 100 years in this world,
तो एक दिन एक रात
so one day, one night, when sun rises and east, so one day has gone.
आप कहाँ की तरफ जा रहे हो,
So where are you going? Towards death, Mrityu ki or.
आपको मृत्यु की तरफ जा
So you are going closer to the death.
रहे हो। एक तरफ तो कार्य हम
One side we are saying
बड़े होते
we are growing up.
एक साल हो गया, 2 साल हो
We
गया,
have
5 साल हो गया,
completed.
10
We
साल
are
हो गया,
1 year
20 साल हो
olds, 2 years old, 20 years old,
गया, 60 साल हो
and
गए
60 years old.
हैं। ये मैं जो 60 साल हो
So I have become the 60 years,
गए,
60
ये
years
60 साल मेरा
old.
आयु बढ़ रहा है कि घट रहा है?
So my IU is going increasing or decreasing.
घट रहा है।
The age of mind is increasing or decreasing. It is decreasing
एक
because the age of mind is predicted already
predicted and
predestined.
predestined।
So the age of mind is predestined or predicted.
100 साल रहना है।
If you have to stay in this world for 100 years, or if it has been written by the Bhagwan according to the Vidhi,
60 साल हो गया,
so
मतलब 60 साल आपके कम हो
when you
गए
have
हैं।
completed the 60 years, so it means you have reduces the 60 years of life. So now the 40 years are left, so it means you are going decreasing, you are decreasing and going closer to the death.
कम होते जा रहे
So your age is decreasing, it means. But we are saying here, oh we are growing up, our age is growing up.
हैं। Actually, आपके
Actually your age is not increasing, so your age is decreasing, and you are going to the closer to the death. So it is happening in this world. It is true or not?
ये विचित्र संसार है।
So this is a strange world.
इसलिए कहे
So that's why.
कृष्ण उसी प्रकार भी
So Krishna in the same way saying to the gopis,
है कि आप लोग के रिकॉर्ड में
so I am Chiraridi, I am so much grateful or thankful towards you, Chiraridi.
है completely indebted
I am indebted of you, really. I am indebted of you, of your, and he is showing his gratefulness towards them.
आप लोग आए हैं,
You have come here,
इसलिए
that's why
आप लोग के रिकॉर्ड में
before you I am so much in debt of yours.
इस कथा को सुनकर
So hearing this katha
गोपियों के हृदय में
in the heart of Gopi,
एक अपराध का भाव
so there is a transcendental feelings comes in the heart of Gopis that time hearing these words, because it is the humbleness of Krishna, just like I told you, the humbleness of Prabhupada,
क्या है मेरा
that you all are my guru.
आप लोग
Guru
क्या है
Vipad Harta, Vipad Bhanjan. As Prabhupada told that you all are my Vipad Bhanjan, means you all are destroying my problems or solving my problems. So it means,
से आप रक्षा
so you are saving from the problems of me,
you are protected
you are protecting me, Maya. So you are protecting me from the Maya. So as Prabhupada, this is the Prabhupada word, so he was showing his humility he is showing their humbleness. So in the same way, when Krishna presenting or saying these words before the gopis, so this is the humbleness of Krishna. So hearing that words, these words, gopis heart melted.
समय गोपियाँ कृष्ण
So at the time gopis are saying to Krishna,
देखो
look,
प्रिय प्रियजन एक दूसरे के साथ ऋण में नहीं रहते
so near and dear never lives with each other in debt.
प्रिय प्रियजन
The near and dear ones, they never lives with each other in debt.
नहीं रहते
They are not time with these all things.
ये ऋण आदि का एक बंधन होता है
So the indebtedness or debt is, what is that? It's a foundation.
इस संसार के जीते इस
So that's why in this world, the jeev is coming in this world again and again. So if you have taken some money from someone, so for repay that money you have to come again in this world. Repay, chukane ke liye. For repaying that money you have to come in this world again. So this is the rules of the nature of this world.
आप भले ही किसी से चिट करके
So maybe you have taken the money by cheating,
किंतु किसी न किसी प्रकार
so but anyhow you have to come in this world for repay that money.
देना पड़ेगा
You have to give that money. Maybe you have to take the birth of dogs, cats. You have to come and repay that money.
ये तक भी
Even
पुत्र होकर
even you can get the birth, you can get the birth of being his son.
अपने बेटा बेटा को बहुत डॉक्टर दिखाया
So there was a man whose child was so much ill. So he was, when he was suffering, so what happened, so he treated his son to many doctors. So when he has spent it so, lots of money, thousands of money, after that what happened, his son died. So that son said to his father, oh father, in the last birth I was, you have taken some money from me, 25,000 rupees. You have taken 25,000 rupees from me and you didn't repay that. That's why I have become your son in this birth, and I'm taking all of your money, the 25,000s. So he has spent his 25,000 rupees to the doctors. When he has spent 25,000 rupees, that son died straight away at that time. So this is the strange thing of this world. So this is called the karma bhumi, karma jagat, because it is a circle or cycle that whatever you are doing, you have to get that. So in this way, gopis are saying the same katha to the Krishna. Hey Krishna, whatever you are saying, that I am in depth of yours. So the priya, the near and dear ones, they never tying with this each thing, such as things like in depth, because it happens in the prem jagat. So prem is not like a foundation, it's just like a material word. In this word, the love is called a foundation, just like in the material people used to say the Vivaha Bandhan, we want the marriage foundation, Preeti Bandhan. But in the transcendental world, love is not like that. The prem, the love is spontaneous, pure and pious. It is just like the pure Ganga water. They have so much love and affection towards each other. Okay, not understand. So in this way, he is saying, hmm. So Shri Krishna is saying the in depth of the gopis, and he is accepting himself. So hearing this katha, gopi feels so much. Gopis are feeling, they are feeling some pain in their heart. Hey Govind, why are you using this word? So at that time, gopis are saying to Krishna, how you can be free from our debt? So gopis are saying to the Krishna like this, Na paryaham. Sadhuna. Oh, please tell me now how you can be free from our debt. So at that time, Krishna is saying, when you will be sadhu, and when you will be sadhu and serve us, then you will be free from all kinds of debts. So Krishna has to become sadhu. कौन सी साधु बने? So Krishna has become in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He became Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sadhu. Then become sadhu. He was serving Bhava Seva. So that's why Napariham. Sadhu Kritva. So how beautiful explanation here, that Krishna, what he did, he became sadhu. He came into the form of sadhu and he appeared in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu on this world. And being a sadhu, what he's doing? So he's chanting of the name of that gopis. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So he's serving the name. Hari means Shri Radha ji. He is serving the name of Shrimati Radhika.
महाभारती ब्रज महाभागवती
Mahabhagavati Braja.
अनंत तरंग उच्छलित होती है तथा भी सदा सर्वदा विरमार्जन अनुलेपन यदि मंत्रादि कार्य करती शिक्षण विविध लीलाओं का स्मरण करती तन्मय हो जाती है। गोपियाँ क्या करती है?
What Gopiya does?
घर में तो गृह कार्य आदि करती
So they are working at their home very nicely.
है, गृह कार्य झाड़ू लगाना
They are sweeping, cleaning the floor. So everything they are doing very nicely. Gopis.
गृह मार्जन आदि सब कार्य करती
So they are doing the cleaning the dish utensil. But internally, what they are doing? Saying like Govinda Dham. Madhaveti Govinda Damodar Madhaveti Krishna He Yadava He Sakriti Govinda Damodar Madhaveti.
इस प्रकार जैसे गोपियाँ अपने गृह कार्य आदि
So all the gopis, they are doing their all the households work very nicely, and but internally she are always thinking about Krishna. Internally they are chanting the holy name of Krishna. Gopi. Wow. Jaho. How beautiful shlok is this? Gopis are saying like this. They are expressing their feelings in this way.
ब्रजरमणियों के चित्त एवं इंद्रियां श्री कृष्ण
अरे
में
यार,
लीन होती है
कौन सा
तथा
श्लोक
श्री
है?
कृष्ण के चित्त में उनका मन आरोहित हो जाता है। गोविंद के हृदय में
In the heart of Govind,
सदा सर्वदा मानो
always क्या बैठ जाता है?
बैठ जाती है
Gopis always sit into the heart of Krishna because they were so much observed in the bhav of Krishna. When they are singing or chanting the name of Krishna, they are so much observed in Krishna. So seeing all kinds of desire and of the gopis or activity of the gopis, Krishna was so much shocked.
गोपियाँ अतिशय अनुरक्त श्री कृष्ण अनेक प्रकार से उनकी प्रार्थना भी करते हैं।
So gopis
मानिनी को मनाने की चेष्टा में इसी विताड़ित होती है तथा कुंज द्वार पर प्रवेश करने की आज्ञा प्रतीक्षा करती है। यहाँ पर लिखा है गोपियाँ जब मानिनी हो जाती है
when Gopiya got man,
तब कृष्ण क्या करते हैं?
so what Krishna does that time
मान प्रसादन करने के लिए
for breaking their man,
उनके कुंज के द्वार पर आकर के क्या करती थी?
so they used to come at the door of the Krishna.
कान पकड़ के नाक रगड़
When Krishna came to the door of the gopis and they were keep what we say holding their ears and going up and downs, and they are touching the noise on the ground. So they are doing the activity like this. So Krishna in this way coming to the before to the gopis and being very humble, he is doing the up and down. He is doing up and down. He is holding his ears and doing up and down, touching his nose into the ground. At the time gopis are teasing to Krishna. Oh, go away go away, Madhav, you go from here. He is saying like this. It is described in the Gita Govinda. Madhav Jai. Hey Madhav, you go from our kunj. Don't stay here anymore.
माँ कोई तब तुम्हारी छल कपट कथा हम सुनेंगे।
So we don't want to hear the cheating katha of yours. You are cheater.
छल कपट तो नहीं करते
You always do the cheating.
हैं? माँ कोई तब
Madhav Ketab
ये तो मैंने
activity.
छल कर
Chal. Ketab means chal, means cheating. You are cheater.
तुम्हारे छल कपट की कथा हम सुनेंगे।
So we are not here to hearing your cheating katha.
अब बोल मत बोल
Oh Madhav, you go away. We have heard so much. Don't speak too much here.
तुमने बहुत कुछ
You
सुना
you have told us many things.
है जैसे काल में
Just like I told you yesterday,
कृष्ण राहे के कुंज में
when Krishna
देव मन
when Krishna became late for entering into the kunj of Radharani, so Radharani got man that time.
सब कृष्ण मान बनाने के लिए कहती है राधे मान
So everybody was breaking the man of Radharani. Why Radharani you are not? What happened? I was coming to you, but at the time Chandravali.
लोगे क्या हुआ स्मरण हुआ
So I remember you. I remind you when I remembered you. So I got fainted. I was coming towards you, but I remember you and I got fainted. Krishna is saying like this.
अच्छा बता तुम्हारी ये ललाट पर जो लाल लाल आभा है
So the gopis are asking. So there is a red sign on your forehead. Where is it coming from?
नाखून की जो आभा जो
So you have some signs of the nails on your body. So where all these are coming from?
तो उस समय
So at the time, what Krishna is saying, look,
मैं जब मुझसे लेकर गिरा
when I got fainted on the ground,
कांटे के झाड़ी
so I fall down into the stone in the thorn place.
क्या हो गया
Thorn place, no? There was so that's why so much scratches comes to my body. Krishna is not less. So gopis are so where this sindoor is coming on your forehead.
बोले देखो
Thorn.
जुगना के कुछ मुट्ठी होते हैं लाल आभा
So actually there is a sense of Yamuna little bit red.
है मैं चलते चलते
When I
फिसल
was
गया
walking, I slept.
और
I
लाल
slipped, and what happens that the red soil is come on my forehead.
समझाने के लिए और
So for making to other understand, so he was doing this kinds of cheating talks. Hey Madhav, कहते hey Madhav, you go away from it is too much.
बता कोई तो
Madhav कहता भाग जाओ यहाँ से, you go away from here and run away from here. Gopis are scolding to Krishna. This is the sign of thorn. We don't know. We are the ladies. We know everything. This is the signs of nails. Oh, we know everything. Don't do यहाँ पे cheating. You are teaching us.
जहाँ से आए वहीं से
So where are you coming from? You go there. Okay, go.
इस प्रकार
So in this way, so at the door of the gopis, so Krishna is so much humbly praying, but that gopis are not opening the door of that kunj, and Krishna is outside. Krishna is standing outside for a while. But when Radhaji was not breaking her man, ruta nahi. And Krishna, just like a beggar, he saw his beautiful, huge building, very tall building, tall tower. So that person will give me the money. So he will give me so much money. So all my beggerness will go away. I will be rich. So he was pressing the doorbell, ting tong, but nobody was opening the door. So at that time, that beggar, what he thinks, how long he has to wait. He was thinking like this. At least, being so much disappointed, he has left that place. Earlier he was thinking that I will get so much money. In the same way, Krishna is a beggar of love. He entered into the kunj of gopis and is knocking the door of the Radharani. Ting 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 tong 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 tong. But what happened? Nobody is opening the door. So at that time Krishna was so much disappointed and he left that place. But there is a very astonishing thing here, shocking thing. When Krishna left that place, so Radhaji cannot bear this. Radhaji couldn't bear this. Oh, so she was. This is the speciality of love. When Krishna went away from that place, Radhaji's Kunj, and when Radhaji opened the door of the Kunj, and she was crying so much, "Where is my Krishna?" And she's saying to all the Sakhis, "Hey Sakhi, so you know the feelings of my heart. Why didn't you stop Krishna?" So in the Bangla Kirtan, he gopis are expressing the bhav. Esha Shilo Hari. So Radhaji was crying so much, and when she was crying, she's saying to the gopis, "Hey, my pran Govind came here, and you know the feelings of my heart. What is my nature? You know everything. What is my nature?" So okay, I was in man, but after some times I have to broke my mind. Man, it is true or not? How long I have to be in man? How can I be? So when my man will break, so then I can meet with him. So why didn't you go him? Hmm? Why didn't you let him go? So Lalita and Sakya saying, we told you so many times, hey, arey, whatever happened, let it be. Just okay, make a, what we say, compare. So whatever happened, just let it be. Okay, make a friendship with Krishna again. So, but we are saying you again and again. But Govind, what he has so much disappointed, he becomes so much disappointed and went away. And Radha was saying, why didn't you let him go? So what to do that time? Radha is saying, he was standing like a. You has to tell him, hey Krishna, you stand here like a gatekeeper, like a security guard. You have to stand here, stand out the door. So you have to stand here like a gatekeeper. When I break my mind, so I can take the darshan of Govind. So this is the Radharani is saying. So there is a beautiful kirtan. Vidyapati Chandidas was writing this kirtan very nicely. So all these, this is the all deep love of Krishna, Pragad Anurag. So that's why the gopis are saying. So when Krishna was so much waiting for entering into the Kunj, and he was praying like a beggar of love before the gopis, and he was waiting at the door. At the time, the gopis, so यहाँ पर here is, so there is a shlok here. Kilakita Shesha Brajastriyo Digavi Anuvi. कहाँ पे कौन सा श्लोक है? कित्ता निश्चित means stunned. Kalakritta Shesha means stunned. Kalakritta Shesha. Kalakritta Shesha. It's called stunned. Stunned. Completely stunned. So relishing the darshan of the Gopind, and when Krishna was going for cow grazing, and when he was coming from the cow grazing, so for getting the darshan of Govind, Gopiya observed in so much, feel so much anurag or bhav.
तलं सिंहपञ्चके जडौद्रेक्षत्वां वक्ष्यसे दिशा।
तब कथम.
आज इसको भी मैंने कहा था।
I told you yesterday when Krishna was going for the cow grazing and when he was coming from the cow grazing at 4 p.m.
और गायों की दूर से उचित जो धूल
So when the dust is coming from the feet of the cows and when it was touching to the face of Govind, so it is glorifying the face of Govind.
दूसरी को धूल के द्वारा
So when Krishna's face full of dust,
इसलिए कौन था
now you understand well.
गायों की
Khor. So when the dust is coming from the feet of the cows, so this is covering the face of the Govind.
एक तो कृष्ण के मुख जैसे मानो प्रस्फुटित
One, the Krishna's face is like a blossoms lotus,
धूल जो
and when the dust is coming on the face and covering the face, so it is called parag. Parag क्या बोलते हैं? फल.
है और कृष्ण के ये कुंचित केस जो है घुंघरावले बाल
And when the curling hair of the Krishna, gopis are taking the darshan from so long, it is just like a bumblebee or black bee.
के पीछे दो करके आते
When Krishna was coming, chasing the cows, so that curling hair is covering half faces. So when gopis are taking the darshan of this form,
कमल की मकरंद
so
करने के लिए
just like for taking or relishing the lotus,
अच्छा भी
relishing the lotus, black bee enter into the lotus. In the same way, gopis are taking the darshan in the same way.
गोविंद के ऐसे मुख कमल के दर्शन
So gopis are taking the darshan in this way.
कहते रोज प्रकाश
Oh, gopis are not taking darshan in this way. So that's why gopis are presenting their anger and they are crying that time and they are expressing their feeling in this way.
कुटिलकं तलां सिं पंचते जरौ
Eh? Because they are not taking the darshan of the Govind very nicely, like a black bee. So that's why gopis are feeling so much anger, presenting their anger that time. So that's why they are criticizing to Brahma. Hey Brahma, you don't know how to create the word. So I will teach you the lesson that how you should have to create the word. You have to. So gopis are saying to Brahma how you have to learn the creating of the word. So you have manifested very beautiful form of Govind, but you have just given us two eyes. And how we can take the darshan in just two eyes of Govind? And what you have done? You have given us eyelid. First you have given us two eyes, and after that what you have given? Eyelids on that. That's why there is so much obstacles of taking darshan of Govind. So how you have to create the body? So you have to give us so thousands eyes on the body, and that should be without eyelid. Eyelid, palak nahi honi chahiye. So that's why we can take the darshan continuously of Govind. Continuously, always we can take the darshan of the beautiful form of Govind. So that's why it is also saying
अपने को कृतकृत मानकर
gopis are feeling so much grateful.
कृष्ण की सौंदर्य का छटा का मानकर निश्चित
They are relishing the darshan of Govind. And when taking the darshan of Govind, in this kinds of form, gopis are totally stunned. Totally stunned, stumped like a dead body. That is called. चलो कथा खत्म बस. गौर प्रेमानंद हरि हरि बोल. अरे गौर प्रेमानंद हरि हरि बोल.